From struggle to superstar, unlock the secrets of top students. Ever wonder how top students make learning look so effortless? Spoiler alert, they're not superhuman. They're just armed with brilliant strategies. If you're ready to level up your learning game, here are the superstar moves that turn struggles into success. 1. Dive into active engagement. Learning isn't a spectator sport, folks. Jump into discussions, join group projects, or try hands-on experiments. When you actively engage, those tricky concepts stick like glue. Bonus: it's way more fun than just reading a textbook. 2. Master the magic of spaced repetition. Forget cramming, space it out. Spaced repetition means revisiting your notes at increasing intervals. It's like giving your brain little memory boosters over time. Wave goodbye to forgetting and say hello to long-term retention. 3. Bite-sized brilliance with microlearning. Why devour the whole pizza in one go? Microlearning breaks knowledge into snack-sized lessons, perfect for absorbing without overwhelm. Small chunks, big impact. 4. Ace it with retrieval practice. Pop quiz time. Regularly testing yourself with flashcards or quizzes is a game changer. It's like working out for your brain, strengthening your recall muscles so you're always ready to shine on test day. 5. Power up with collaborative learning. 2 or 3 heads are better than 1. Study groups aren't just for swapping memes. They're perfect for sharing ideas and perspectives. Learning together equals learning better. 6. Teach to triumph. Want to lock down a concept? Teach it. Explaining ideas to a friend or even your pet forces your brain to organize and understand the material. It's retention magic at its finest. 7. Paint the picture with visual aids. Diagrams, mind maps, and colorful charts are your new BFFs. Visual tools make complex ideas a breeze to understand and remember. Plus, they're a feast for your eyes. 8. Keep it real with real-world applications. Why do I even need to know this? Great question. Connect what you're learning to real-life scenarios. Suddenly, math isn't just numbers. It's the key to budgeting for your dream vacation. 9. Breaks and brainstorms. Give your brain a breather. Short breaks refresh your mind, and reflective moments tie new knowledge to what you already know. Think of it as the cool-down session for your brain workout. Ready to rock your learning? As you could see, top students don't just study harder, they study smarter. By mixing and matching these strategies, you can boost your learning superpowers and go from average to mastermind in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in and watch the magic happen. Watch the magic.